I don't know about your hair, but my hair's flippity floppity everywhere. All right.
2025 RTR Spec 3 in Hot Boy Magenta. What's the actual color name?
Molten Magenta Metallic.
Molten Magenta Metallic. Hot Boy Magenta, Molten Magenta. It's a looker and a half, dude.
Yes.
Plus drop top?
Drop top. We're actually in a drop top today. First year that RTR is doing a drop top. And this is a vibe.
It is. Top down. What's the 67?
It's a little chilly. I'm going to turn up my heated steering wheel. That would be nice.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I love it.
Like, this is actually, it's cold. It's too cold to have the top down.
Yeah, but for the video effect,
But this works. No, it works great.
It,
like, oh, I would totally do this if this was my car.
Yeah.
Anything north of 60, because the heater works great. I don't know. I just don't have a ton of seat time in convertibles.
You've never owned a convertible?
No.
That's crazy, dude. Huh. Convertibles are great. They're actually a lot of fun. I know everyone says structural rigidity this and race car this and that. But first of all, nowadays, most convertibles are designed ahead of time with the fact that it's going to be a convertible.
They do have that in mind. I mean, like, yeah, there's nothing, well.
What?
I was going to say there's nothing like seat of the pants different. I suppose the only place that you figure out that this is performing different than your standard coupe would be on a track.
And that's the thing. Nothing wrong with taking this to the track. It'll still be a very capable vehicle.
Exactly. That's just where you might notice some rigidity difference.
But are you going to take this to the track religiously?
Not my Hot Boy Magenta drop top.
No.
This is a highway
cruiser, man.
Oh, I was gonna say highway slayer, but
we're cruising
yeah.
right now. And you just, we got the 10-speed auto in here, so just, I don't know, click through at least. There we go. God, you just got to click downshift a couple times, but. It is so easy, though. I do forget how easy 10 speeds are.
It's, yeah.
And I honestly, I want to do 2 laps around this roundabout, Faisal. I don't think, like nowadays, you're not, like it still grips.
Tires are cold though, dude.
I get that, but like, it feels great. Like it doesn't feel like the chassis is unbalanced or weak in any shape or form because I have the top down,
Yeah.
Like it just feels like, it feels like a Mustang.
Yeah.
With a lot of power.
That used to mean tail happy. It definitely does not.
Not anymore.
No,
not ever since 2015. Not really.
No, the systems are so nice.
And here's the beautiful part about all this. Just put it back into auto mode, close up the exhaust, and now you're just experiencing top-down, beautiful weather.
Back to chilling.
In your Hot Boy Magenta Spec 3 RTR.
Yeah. That's true. I mean, like, it is just a great, I feel like we're in a go-kart.
Right. And it is definitely a
Which
vibe.
is, like, not a bad, I don't know if that comes across as a bad thing, but, like, no, go-kart's good.
Go-kart's great. And people always get nervous, like, it's going to be too cold, it's going to be too this, that. It's actually really not that bad. In modern convertibles, it's really not even that windy on the inside.
We're able to have a conversation through it. This is all basic convertible stuff, but we're able to have a conversation. We are out of the wind, yet you can feel the wind.
You can feel the wind behind you. If you put your hand out, you can really feel the wind, but otherwise.
And the sense of speed
is heightened.
Like tenfold.
Oh, yeah. So I think there's a certain level of fun you could have with this.
There is.
Yeah.
I mean, like, didn't T-Pain do a convertible drift build off of one of these deals?
He did, yes. Is that school bus? I don't think it's stopping. It's just turning right. Is it stopping?
No, they're stopping.
Oh, they're stopping.
All right.
Yes, T-Pain did build one of these, convertible. I believe in the same color.
They Spec 5 did, or they drift spec'd it,
yes,
right?
Yeah, Spec 3 did.
Spec 3, okay.
That's where the inspiration of this car came.
I'm like, they did it in this color, right?
They did it in this color, yeah.
This is the T-Pain copycat car.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, T-Pain.
Now we're gonna see how this does on the gravel.
No.
Just kidding.
People are gonna be like, man, they're in Iowa, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Gravel roads. But yeah, I think the joy of this car is, yes, it's a totally different experience than a coupe is, shockingly. But
It is.
I want the
I feel
vibe.
I'm at home
Right.
in a different zip code.
Right.
Like, is the way I'd have to describe it, I guess.
It's still a Mustang,
Yeah.
but it's a different experience.
Yeah. Still a Mustang, different experience.
And everyone who's dead set on a hardtop one, try a convertible and give it a chance. Drive it, and you might thoroughly enjoy it. I don't know about your hair, but my hair's flippity-floppity everywhere.
Yeah.
Insert meme here.
I'm actually doing pretty good. I think.
Yeah, I think it's just my hair, man. I need a haircut.
Yeah, okay. This is
Fun?
sweet. Yeah. Wow. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, well, you just get more of the sound without it. This is great. Okay, yeah. This thing's sweet. Plus, you're just so much closer to the downshifts.
Right. I mean, we're a little biased. Today was a nice day, so like, this was a good day to experience the drop top, but more people need to give them a chance, man.
God, and then it's not even the exhaust. The V8 sounds great.
Ah, man, drop tops are such an experience, man. They're such an experience.
Do we have to go back to work, or can we just like just drop top it to
Till the end of the day?
It's just like, yeah, we could just drop top it around for the rest of the day. That'd be definitely wouldn't mind that. No, this whole thing's a vibe. This is a great activity for a weekend. I could do this for the next 4 or 5 hours. I mean,
Yeah, this is a weekend car. This is, yeah, you can't ask for more on a weekend car. There you have it, guys. 2025 RTR Spec 3. Ooh, ooh. Molten Magenta Aero Spec 5. Oh, Aero 5s.
Aero 5s.
Finished off in bronze. Beautiful color combo and drop top.